Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel TheKZVerse, and I'm your host KZ. Today I am showing you all the collection, the minifigure collection that I have from the Marvel, starting with the Avengers. Stay tuned and see which Avengers I have. So I just wanted to show all the collection that I have of all the minifigures. So this episode is about the Avengers that I have, and I will be setting them on my collection stand as well. So one at a time, I will show you. Again, these are non-official Lego minifigures. I wanted to collect the ones that I needed, so I just picked those one up, but they're not official. Some of them are official, but some of them are unofficial. It's all about the collection. So let's start with the first one that I have. Let's start with my favorite character, Thor. He's the Thor from Endgame with his both Mjolnir and Stormbreaker. I'll move close to the camera to show it here. Thor. So I'll place them here, because this is like my display case. I just want to make sure I'm able to fit all the Avengers here. So the second Avenger, I think he should be in the middle though. He was Captain America. He's the worthy Captain America from the Endgame, who is fielding a Mjolnir and his shield. His shield did break in the Endgame, but here it's intact. So Captain America from the Endgame. I will keep him in the middle. I will arrange them accordingly, because I have quite a few minifigures to set and I only have 2 display cases today. So then the Iron Man, just before his death, because his Infinity Gauntlet has all the stones. Iron Man from the Endgame. Again, he is main. He needs to be as close to the front as possible. Who should be the next one on this? I think I would place Spider-Man, the Iron Spider version of Spider-Man. Again, from the Endgame. He was given these Iron Spider claws, or whatever you want to call them, by Tony Stark in the Endgame. So, Iron Spider. I don't know where he will fit, but I will place him somewhere at the back, so it's not that, doesn't bother a lot. Who else was in the Endgame? Clint Barton, but this is the Ronin version, so I think I'll keep him at the back. So this is Ronin. But I will keep him at the back because Ronin was in the Endgame, but not that major role. But Hawkeye was. Hawkeye with his bow and arrow. Hawkeye. In the Endgame, we did not have this Sakaar version of Hulk, who was from Thor Ragnarok, but I like this cooler rather than the Professor Hulk that we had in the Endgame. So Hulk Ragnarok, or the version from Sakaar. So let's add him to the collection. He should be somewhere here, definitely on the lower side of this. Oops. Okay. There you are. He's holding Iron Man, which I don't want him to. So just move this and as much back as possible. Yeah. So who else can I add in part of? Doctor Strange. Stephen Strange. Doctor Strange has a very stiff coat. Doctor Strange. Black Panther. Black Panther. Then I'll add him to the front. He was one of the Avengers from the Endgame. As close to the front as possible. Captain Marvel. Again, from the Endgame. We'll keep her, but she should be, like, Thor should be more in the middle. He's the main character. Captain Marvel a bit on the side. I don't think so. Her hand will fit here, but let's see. Thor doesn't like him. Oh, her. Thor is like, oh, move away. Okay. Okay, who else? Black Widow. Fortunately, she died in the movie. Black Widow. Okay, Black Widow. Ant-Man. Ant-Man can go here. Okay, then Mr. Rhodes, James Rhodes, War Machine. War Machine. He has a big jetpack. Just keep it here. Hey, don't bother Mr. Doctor Strange. Who else? Falcon. Falcon. With his big wings. Falcon. So I'll try to adjust him because his wings are too big. Somewhere here. And then we will adjust his wings. It doesn't bother a lot of people. Okay, who else was in the Endgame? Gamora was there, but I will keep these guys as Guardians of Galaxy in the next video. This one, Scarlet Witch, Wanda Maximoff, Scarlet Witch. So Scarlet Witch goes in the front with her Darkhold, which is the most corrupted book in the universe. Okay, and then since I am putting all the Avengers in the front row, I'll try to adjust Iron Spider in the front row as well. Okay, everyone is set. The only problem is that the wings of Mr. Falcon came off because of Mr. Iron Spider. Let's see. Let's see if I can put Ant-Man there and Black Panther there as well. So Yeah, Black Panther should be able to fit in here. Okay, so now I have Loki and Iron Spider. I'll just quickly show all of these that are there. So, like this. Okay, starting from here, Captain Marvel, Thor, Captain Clint Barton, Hawkeye, Iron Man, Captain America, Doctor Strange, Black Widow, Loki, and at the back we have Iron Spider. Then you can see Wanda Maximoff with a Darkhold, Red Skull at the background, and then War Machine, Hulk, and then Falcon over there. That's Black Panther, and that's Ant-Man. It looks even shorter, but that's the Avengers lineup, everyone. That's Avengers. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. The next video I will be adding some more to my collection, which are the Guardians of the Galaxy. So please subscribe, please like this video, and wait for my next video. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye.